Hi guys, it's Bianca and I'm gonna be eating something. Everyone say it tastes good, but I think it kind of tastes bad. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm about to open this. I got this from the taco store, and I'm gonna put the company. Really stick down there. Okay. I'll be right back. Okay, here's a little ball. I'm gonna show you. It's kind of small. This is big. How you see closer. Okay. I think it's gonna taste better. Maybe. Do I take a little bite? I need water. So thank you for watching and bye. Subscribe.